Hi everybody and welcome to EWRT 1A. I'm super excited to have you here. I'm going to give you a little quick way to navigate the course. So this video is going to help you guys learn how to navigate the course, know where to start your assignments, and how to get going in the class. So hold on and I'm going to share my screen and get us going. Okay, everybody, so here's our class site for fall 2020. What's going on in this site? The first thing you're going to see is a little bit of information about what the class is about. So right here, when you come down here, you're going to, for the first week, you're going to get a get started. You can go right to modules. You can click right on that link right there and it will take you to modules. For our first week, we're going to be working in module 0. That's our orientation module. A couple other little pieces of information you're going to want to know about on this first page. You also have my office hours here. You can click this link right there to get to them. And you also have a way to message me. If you're having any trouble, you can always go right over here to this help bar. It's going to be on your left navigation tab. And what that means is that's going to get you to Canvas help. If you guys have needs for help in the class, then you're going to want to go right here to this Canvas inbox. It's also on your left navigation tab. And you're going to want to message me. Anything that's going on in the class, if you see a due date that doesn't look right, if you see something that's not working, take a screenshot, send it over through that inbox right over there, and then I'm going to be able to get back to you. I usually get back to you guys within about 12 to 24 hours, unless it's on the weekend. Sometimes on the weekend I can take about a day to get back to you guys. A couple other little things you're going to want to know about on this first page. There's a to-do list over here. On this to-do list, you're going to see a couple of different items. Anything that's got this little sort of announcement looking thing or bullhorn type of thing, that's going to be an announcement in the class. It's the same as what's over here on your left-hand navigation tab that says announcements. I send out about 2 or 3 of those a week. I always send one out on Mondays for you guys. Over here, if you see this calendar thing, what those are my office hours. This class does not have any scheduled Zoom time. So what that means is that you're going to be able to go right there and make sure that you guys click on one of these, and that will be my office hour. I have 4 office hours a week, and I also can do office hours with you guys by arrangement. So just send me a message again to that Canvas inbox over here, and that's where you're going to want to set it up with me if you cannot make one of my scheduled office hours. The other thing you're going to see are 2 other types of things. This one with a pencil and paper, that's going to be an assignment. And down there, it'll tell you what to do. And over here, this one with a sort of spaceship, that's going to be a quiz. So what those are just your different little icons over here. You can always navigate the class through the to-do items, but do remember that if you forget to do something, you guys, it's going to stay on the to-do list for you guys. If you don't want to look at all this clutter, you can always click this X right next to any of these things on your to-do list and it'll go away for you. I do that all the time. I highly recommend it. Okay, I want to show you a couple other quick things. So as I said down here, we can go here, click here to modules, and that'll take us right over to the modules tab. You'll notice right up here is our cyber classroom. This is a place where you can go to ask questions about the class. Anything that comes up, you can ask right there. And often other students are going to answer you if I don't get to you first. So if I don't get there right away, somebody else will probably answer you. Remember to always take screenshots of things you're confused about and then drop them in there under an embed. There's also a student cafe, so you guys can talk about anything you guys want. Maybe you're watching the latest Korean drama, maybe you guys are really into something on TikTok or YouTube or something else that you want to share. Go ahead and share it in the student cafe. That's our place where we can go and just get to know each other a little bit better. There's our class reader right there. If you would like to download it as a PDF copy to your desktop or your laptop or your tablet, it's really easy to access there. Otherwise, you can just read it on our classroom. And those are my office hours, again, if you ever need to check those. Our liquid syllabus is linked right here. And a little welcome to the class is also there as well. Our first module that we're going to be working in for week 1 is going to be module 0. So the way this works, just to let you guys know, is you go right over here. You have a getting started overview. Then you have all your readings. Those have little numbers next to them. The 0 is the module you're in, and the number next to it is the reading assignment. We also have 2 types of assignments in this class. We have formative assignments. Those are these ones. They get things to get you thinking, things to help you out in the class, things to help you understand some concepts in the class. Over here, down here under summative assignments, those are always going to be where most of your points are. Those are usually going to be quizzes, essays, things that are a little bit more involved as far as like points wise. So basically we move through our modules. There's videos or there are readings or there are both for both of you guys. I tend to add extra resources if you guys are asking me for something in the cyber classroom, or if I get a lot of messages to my inbox saying, oh, I'm a little confused about something, I might add a resource in here as well. And when that happens, I'll have additional resources underneath the summative assignments. And then if you want to get ahead, week 2 and 3, we're going to be going into module number 1. So I left that one open for you guys. Usually I open up the module a couple of days before the other one ends, but for the first week, I left both of these modules open for you so you guys can get started on it early if you want. If you want to pretend it doesn't exist until week 2, I totally understand. Anyways, let me stop sharing right there. That's a little tour of our class. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to working with you all quarter long, and I'm super excited. Can't wait to get started, and have a great first week.